Now go one time up. Yes. And go down again. This is a lunge or the lunges. Perfect. Stay down. That's how the exercise will look like. So in the next step, I want to show you what are the most key or most important key points to consider while you do this exercise. And afterwards, like always, I want to invite you that you jump into our training, that you can learn the training, the exercise together with us. So what is she doing here? She is right now in a very straight upper position. Your chest is out. She has tense in your abs. She makes herself as tall as possible. So the spine is in a nice S shape. When she is going down, that's your first starting point, please. And you can only do this exercise if you have no knee problems, no problems in your feet joints, no hip problems. And if you are just completely safe, if you are not sure, speak with your doctor before. So, and when you have this exercise here, what she's doing, she goes down in a position. Sorry that I'm a little bit like now in the view, but she goes down in that position that she has here, a 90-degree angle. And when she is doing the exercise, she pulls a little bit her toe up because brings her very easy on the heels. So now she is standing here, how I say, 90-degree angle. Also here she is very straight. She is very straight here. Also, she has here a 90-degree angle. From that 90-degree angle, goes into the straight, goes here, and has here again a 90-degree angle. So that's the beginning of the exercise. There you start to have the right position. Her one feet and the other feet is, let's say, in a distance when you would, in a wideness distance of around 30 centimeters. So, because the first round what we show you is the outline squat, outline lunges, and we go afterwards in the inline lunges also as a variation. This is the most important one. What she is doing when she is down here now, she pushed her one time up. If this whole stand is too much, then from the feeling now, jump maybe 5 centimeters with your leg, with your feet, what's standing behind, a little bit in front, if you feel that it could be too much. So Marie, if you want to adjust, because it looks like a little bit, it could be a little bit too much, yes, adjust it a little bit. So you start in a 90-degree angle, you go up, you adjust it a little bit, and then you have your perfect position. So most important right now, how I said, is that you hold this whole construct of the body, and that you start to push here a little bit to the side, or to pull a little bit to the side, the knee. When you hold this a little bit pulled to the side, then I mean not that you over pull completely, a little bit pulled so that it cannot fall inside. When you have that position, you deeply breathe in, and with the breathing out, you come up again. Yes. How you see she's completely straight. The most important when she goes down is that her knee here first stays on the height of her feet joint. And the second thing is that automatically by that, she is not falling here to the front with the knee. So it stays on that height. And when she pulls here a little bit up, you can try that. It is easier to do that. Now you have different versions what you can use. You can either concentrate on your leg what is standing in front and take it here, the power out of the quad triceps. You can also, that you do just by moving your body a little bit in front. You can go even more in front, and then you can feel here the knee area if you do it in the right way. Or you focus while you go up and down on both legs, then you feel it simultaneously in both. You can mostly do more reps then. Or what I really like to do is you just focus on the leg, on the back, or let's say 30% on the first leg and 60% or 66% on the left, on the behind back. And when she goes now from that position up, She brings the power, she takes the power here completely out and squeezes her butt maximum here. You have extremely nice exercise to shape your legs and to shape your butt while that simultaneously. So now we have all the most important points inside. Breathe in when you go down, breathe out when you go up. Hold your eyes in a straight level to 45 degrees up. That's how the exercise works. Marie just showed from the other side of your legs again, and do it just 3 times. And after that, I invite you just to jump inside. But before I invite you, I want to show one variation fast, and that's perfect. You saw how it works, and the variation is that we just jump 1 time in an inline lunge. Inline lunges means that you bring now your feet from the position that they have been like 30 centimeters away from each other. So when you see it from that angle, now they are jumping in one line from there to there. She has now one line created. That means that here, this feet here, what you see here is exactly in the same line like that feet. Inline lunges. These inline lunges have a little bit different feeling. For some people, they are better, but mostly the outside lunges is for me the standard version. Just try that also with us. So 1 time go up, yes, and go down again. It's everything the same what I just explained. The difference is only that you have now a little bit different contraction in the body. If I go now deeper into that, that would be too complex and too much. Therefore, we jump over that. Just try the exercise. You will feel a difference. Marie, just do it 1 time with your other leg again. And I want to invite you, while you can watch for that, what Marie is doing, to jump into our training now and to do the outline and the inline lunges with us together. Yes, Marie. Perfect. So I invite you to come now to us. Start in this stand, go down. Look that your angle here is 90 degree and that your angle here is 90 degree, so that your upper body is straight, that you have tense in your abs, that you make yourself as tall as possible. When you have reached that position, we start 1 time to breathe in and out. Deeply breathe in and out. Exactly. Breathe in and out. Bring the concentration into your abs, stabilize your abs, feel your body, feel your legs. Give a little bit push now, or how you want to say, pull to your knee, what is in front, to the side, to stabilize it there. You want to be sure that your knee is always following your big toe, let's say it like that, always following the top of your feet, that this is always in line. This shall be in line with this. So, and this is for the inline and outline lunges, very important. And now you breathe in and out. You have all the concentration. Go 1 time in front of your inner eyes through the exercise, through that what you just saw. Try or do it already inside your own mind without really moving your body. You just do it inside in front of your eyes. Exactly the exercise is what we just show right now. Exactly how you want to act in a few seconds. In the next step, right now, we breathe deeply in, and with breathing out, you come up and you push yourself up. How I say, focus to the front, you get the front quadriceps. Focus to the back, you get the whole back leg, including the glute. So what I recommend right now, just go up and down and try to feel both legs equally, just in a balance. But push still out from the back leg and feel your glute, how your glute is completely pulling together while you go up. Exactly. Breathe out while you go up. Breathe in while you go down. Be careful that your knee is not shaking and that you push it or pull it a little bit to the side to stabilize it. Be careful that your knee is always in the direction of the knee in front of your body to your toes, and that the knee here is going also in that line and is not going to the side here or going to the side here. If the knee is changing to the left or to the right side from your back leg, then please just pull a little bit to the middle or push it a little bit to the middle. It depends from which side the imbalance comes. So you want always to be in line with the top of your feet. Your tens and the abs are always there, and you bring your glute into the whole game while you do that exercise. Very nice. Now we change one time the legs and we go into the other. Yes, we do 5 reps here. Please remember all the points which I just told you. We go down, breathe deeply in and out. Pull a little bit here, your knee, your toe up, because you are easier on the back of your feet, so on your heels, and hold the hands, go up and down. Hold with your eyes a focus point on the eye level or 45-degree up. That's how the exercise works. Perfect. Now we want to bring you into the inline lunge. So Marie, just change your legs again and go in the inline. Inline, how I said, you pull now, you stand now, your feet in one line and feel just a little bit the difference. We make only 3 reps now. Breathe out when you go up. Perfect. Breathe in while you go down. Hold the tense in your abs. Be on the heels of your first standing feet, on the front standing feet. Maybe pull up a little bit the toe there. And when you go up and down, feel how it feels in the front leg, how it feels in the back leg, how it feels in the glute when you move. Perfect. Marie, let's change one time the side. You also, please change into the new position in line on the other side. Again, we go down and you see what she's doing. No, you have not enough space. This is, you just thought she came too close. So, and now she makes 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle. And this is what you do also. Have tense in your abs and press, come up, hold the tense, breathe in while you go down, breathe out while you go up, breathe in while you go down, breathe out, and last one, breathe in while you go down and breathe out while you go up. Thank you very much, Marie, for showing that today. Thank you very much for being here, to joining us, to watch our video, and to share our video with your friends, because you want that your friends are training right, because I want that you train right. So please, let's share it. Let's show how it works, and browse our channel. We have a lot of interesting videos for you to boost your lifestyle, to boost your fitness, and to make a better life possible. Thank you very much. Click the bell, click the follow button. It's your personal trainer, Chris. Bye. See you soon.